Hello everyone and welcome to another video about XAF Blazor. In this one, Jorge will show one small feature. So we know that if we show the footer, we have this option here in the context menu, but unless we have the summary already defined on the model, we cannot add it here. So there is no, that's still not implemented. So we have a small project to show the solution that we come up with. So the idea here is to basically add summary counts and average and all those other summaries. So we have here these three records, and then we have the single choice action, and we have a selection of all the properties. So name, salary, evaluation, age. So let's say that I want to add to the name the count, to the salary I want to add the sum, and I also can add more than one. I want to add to the salary the average. I want to add to the evaluation minimum, and so on. So right away, you see, and of course, we can remove them. You can see that we can have this dynamic way to see all the summaries as we are used to in WinForms and as we are used like in our legacy apps. If we see the code for just a second, basically we just have a single choice action. And in that one, we're gonna remove all the properties that are actually service properties. And we could do this not hard coded with the string, but basically we were doing the proof of concept. Then we have the grid summary type to know what are the summary that we have. Then we iterate through them to have the choice action item. So basically every choice inside or single choice action. And then after that, we're gonna add it to the summary of our grid. It's that simple. That's basically just a quick implementation that will allow us to have those summaries so the end user can add it right away. Simple, effective, and I think that everyone who is migrating for Windows will need this type of implementation.
Yes, I think that implementation is really nice, Javier, especially for the Windows Forms users, because they will always feel like they're missing something. But in this case, I mean, and it's not so much code and not mysterious. And also prove another point that first Blazor application and XAF application are just regular .NET application. There is a control
Exactly.
there that you can add a summary, that you can manipulate in code. So it helps to clear the idea that XAF is a black box because it's not actually.
Absolutely. And a few of those, I don't know, my headphones is acting weird. A few of those, let's say, gaps between Windows and Blazor that people are still saying, like, for example, doing a grouping and having the summary on the group in the group footer and so on. We already have it implemented, so stay tuned for a few more short videos presenting more SAF features. All right, everyone. Hope you get something out of it and see you next time.
See you.